Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I recently repainted my son's room and got rid of all his little boy decor. Now it's time to update and redecorate with more mature decor, and these brass guitar pick signs from Top Brass Store matched his room and his personality perfectly. What my son loves about them is that the edgy flame accents and the cool iridescent finish light up his room. He is a huge fan of music and guitars and is very pleased with the way that this gives his room a more mature teenage vibe. I was very impressed by its durability. These are very heavy duty, which is perfect for a teenage boy's room because if he gets a little rowdy and jumping around, I know that these aren't going to bend and break. I also like the sawtooth hanger on the back of each one of them. It is very easy to hang and it's secure on the wall, so I know when he does get a little rowdy, I don't have to worry about them falling. This company makes several different styles and design with different sayings on them, so I know you're going to find that one that matches your decor and your vibe. Overall, we are very impressed with this guitar pick wall decor. The design is really cool and edgy, the iridescent color catches your eye the minute you walk in the room, and the durability is outstanding. I think this would make a perfect gift for the guitar lover in your life. And that's my point of view.